Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous episode, we have understood what is Fivetran and its key features. So today we are going to get hands-on and explore the Fivetran dashboard together. So by end of this video, you'll be comfortable navigating the dashboard and understand where to find the most important features. So let's start by logging into the Fivetran dashboard. If you don't have the account in Fivetran, the process is very simple. Just get into the Fivetran. It comes with 14 days free trial. You need to just sign up with the Google. Okay. So once you are logged in, we'll be greeted by the home screen. Even we call this as a dashboard. Okay. So right now, whatever is seeing here, it's a dashboard. So it provides an overview of your current data pipelines, recent activities, and any alerts that need your attention. So here you can find the connectors, the connectors which have been set up, and from this you can see that all the connectors are paused. Okay, it's just a quick review of all your connectors. Okay, but if you are just doing it for the first time, you're not able to see this. But yes, if you have set up some connectors and you paused it, you'll be able to see all the connectors information over here. So next, it's all about the destinations. Okay, so right now I have three destinations which is being set up, and in which one of the destination is connected, and this two destinations is incomplete. Okay, I'm not connected. I've just created, but I'm not connected those destinations. So here on the top, I can see the quick overview of my connectors and the destinations. And apart from this, in this dashboard, even you have an access to adding the new connectors here. Okay, so by clicking on is add connector, it will navigate to the connectors page. Okay, we'll see that later. And here you can see some of the popular connectors like SFTP, then Amazon DynamoDB, Google Ads, and Amazon Lambda. So here you can see the recent account activities, all about your connections, all about your connectors. Okay, it was paused, or what is the status of your connectors. I can see that. And apart from this, you can see the MAR, that is the pricing parameters from the Fivetran. So here the spend amount. Okay, so all the information can be accessed from this particular dashboard. So this is just a quick overview of the dashboard. So next, on the left hand side, okay, you'll see the navigation menu over here. In this navigation menu, you'll find all the key sections of Fivetran, including connectors, transformations, destinations, logs, and the settings. So we'll go through each of these sections in detail. Okay, so first let's start with connector sessions. So let me click on to the connectors. So here in the connector sessions, so this is where you can set up and manage your data sources. Fivetran supports over 500 pre-built connectors, making it easy to pull data from variety of the platforms like Salesforce, Google Analytics, and many more such connectors. So here you can see all the details. I mean, like currently have the 5 connectors which is being paused, and so even I can just refresh if I've added some new connectors here. And so here I can just filter all the connectors based on the connector type. Okay, destinations as well as based on status. So here I can see the connection name, the connector's name, the source of the connector, the destination from where I'm just pulling that data to centralized data warehouse. For example, I'm just pulling the data from S3 to Snowflake. Okay, so right now it's paused, so I can see the status is paused, right? So I can just even filter that based on the pause status. So for you, if you're doing it for the first time, of course you're not able to see this. This is just overview of the dashboard. Okay, so that later you can have the access to all this so when you have just set up the connectors. So if you want to add a new connector, okay, simply need to click on add connector here. So this is add connector button at the top right. So from here you can choose your data source and follow the guided step setup process. So Fivetran step by step setup ensures that even those who are new to data integration can get started quickly. So here you can see all the data connectors, like all sources. So almost right now it's updated to 612 sources. So this will be keep on adding it. Okay, and by default it's sorted by popularity. Like these are the popular connectors like Salesforce, Amazon S3. We have Fivetran platform, Shopify, SQL Server, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Okay, Google Analytics. So even you can just filter this based on newly released sources. Okay, they have recently added 58 sources. These are the newly added one, and these are the upcoming one. Okay, so they are going to add one or two sources. Okay, so you can even check based on the release date. So this is the feature spotlight. So here we have more such categories. Okay, so when it comes to marketing analytics, I can just focus more on the connectors which is related to marketing. So it's all marketing connectors like Google Ads, Facebook Ads. Okay, all related to ads. This is related to the sales analytics like Salesforce. Support analytics. Okay, we have Zendesk. Okay, so all related to engineering analytics, we have Google Drive, Google Sheets, SharePoint. Okay, you can see like we have almost all the data connectors, and you can just filter this based on the selections which you have made here. Okay, so now let's move on to the transformation section. Okay, so in the transformation section, so this is where the magic happens. So Fivetran integrates with the DBT. For example, let me take any one of the destination here. So let me go with the Snowflake. So here, the Fivetran integrates with the DBT, that is data build tool, to enable in warehouse transformations. So you can write your DBT models directly in the Fivetran or connect to the existing DBT project. So this ensures that your data is clean and structured and ready for analysis. So here, so we'll be learning more about the transformations. Okay, so once we are done with setup, and then I can just show you like how we can do the data transformation using the SQL, as well as we have the DBT. Okay, there are the two different ways how I can transform the data. So this is where I can see all the transformations. So right now I don't have any transformation, so it's just a blank here. Okay, so I need to just set up my project using the DBT core or DBT cloud. These are the two different services by the DBT. So next, so now let's check out the destination section. So this is where your data is sent after being extracted and transformed. Okay. So Fivetran supports multiple data warehouses like Snowflake, BigQuery, and Redshift. So you can manage your destinations here, ensuring that your data is flowing smoothly into a right place. So if you want to add a new destination, you can just click on add destination. Again, you can see the list of destinations. So almost we have 31 destinations. So these are the destinations provided by the Fivetran. Okay, the popular ones are S3, or we have Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift. Okay, and so in case if you don't have destination, so by default, the Fivetran help you to create a free Google BigQuery destination. Okay, and so this is just another way in case if you don't have any destination. Okay, it's just managed by the Fivetran itself. So based on your requirement, you can go with connect your destination, or I don't have a destination. Okay, so this is all about the destinations. So apart from this, so next we have log sections as well. If you go to alerts, okay, so right now there is no alerts. In case if you have any alert setup, you can see all those alerts here. So apart from this, so this is just an overview of your dashboard. This is the connector section, this is the destination sections, and these are transformation sections. Okay, so transformation section. So next, apart from this, here we have account settings. Then we have sources and support. In the account settings, you can see general, downloads, user and permissions, and billing. So this will be seeing in separate video. Okay, so we'll understand how we can set the roles and creating new users for your Fivetran admin account. Okay, if you have admin accounts, so you can just create accounts for your team. Okay, so we'll be seeing that. And so here you can see the user settings, notifications, API keys. Okay, if you want to create an API key for your account, you can just go and click onto this and create an API account. So this is where you log out. Okay, so if you want to just get from this. So this is just a quick overview of and very important part is settings. Okay, so this is where you manage your account details like user roles, billing, and other administrative tasks. So it is always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area to keep your account and projects running smoothly. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of the dashboard. In our next episode, so we'll start setting up some real connectors, and I'll be walking through the entire process from starting to finish. Okay, and we'll try to complete most of the popular connectors. Okay, along with the destinations. Fine. Thanks for watching. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next episode on Fivetran. So if you have any questions or topics you'd like to me to cover, okay, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Okay, so see you soon.